Hello students and welcome to Module 5. We are on our funny persuasive speech, and I am fully aware that a lot of you are really going to struggle with this assignment. So this assignment specifically is designed to pull people out of their comfort zones. So some people are going to do better with the more serious elements of this course, and some of you are going to do better with something like this, or maybe something along the lines of the movie monologue, something more fun, more light. And so I do understand and I sympathize for you if you are thinking, oh my gosh, I'm not funny, there's no way I can do this. You can. Okay, so here's the number one thing is nothing can be serious about this assignment. I'm going to say that again. Nothing can be serious about this assignment. Your topic, nothing serious. Your credibility, nothing serious. Your key points, nothing serious. You need to keep everything as far-fetched with this topic or with this whole entire speech that you can. You are going to be doing exactly the same as the informative speech as in regards to the process. Okay, so first, read the directions. So make sure that you're clicking on everything. There's an example that you can go in there and watch. There's some chapters in your book, and then there's the directions for this one. And so make sure that you go in there and look at that student example. Your outline is going to be structured identically to the last one. You're going to start with the attention grabber, your reason to listen, credibility, all of those things, the preview of your main points. All of those, the elements are the exact same. So there's no visual aid with this one. Okay, this one's a little bit longer. This is 3 to 5 minutes. Oh no, it's the same. 3 to 5 minutes. So this is the same. That's the next one. That's a little longer. So 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so a couple of examples why you deserve to be the boss instead of your boss. David Hasselhoff for president. Tricks should stop its discrimination and make them for everybody. But if you look at the list here, there's a lot of very cliched topics with this one, because if you go to a list and you type in funny persuasive speech topic ideas, you're going to get basically a lot of these and some others. So you cannot get your topic from a list. Okay, you have to be original. So there's a couple of examples of ones that are very cliched, so please do not post one that's on the do not do list. But so I want you to think about the most absurd thing that could happen in your world. So here's an example. Let's say you play baseball. You could say something like baseball should be replaced with hamsters. That's completely far-fetched. And so that's what you want with this assignment. Everything should be far-fetched. Let's say you're a cook. You might argue that salt should replace sugar in all recipes. Maybe you're a writer. You could argue that nobody should ever use punctuation. Now, you cannot use these, but this is an example of how to get started on thinking. Think about what you do, what you know, what you like, and what's the most absurd thing that you could think of within your world. So put some thought into it. So the same steps. So first, you're going to post your topic and answer all of the questions, different paragraphs for each question. Respond to your peers. Make sure you're giving enough sentences. Please don't give just the bare minimum. You guys are better than that. So make sure you respond to your peers on if it's a good topic or not. Make sure you're really putting thought into it, not just going, great topic. Then you're going to post your outline after you get topic approval. If I do not approve your topic, remember, do not respond to me in the submission comment box. I won't get those. Email it to me, but you need to email a credibility statement, which can be completely made up. So let's say that you are going to be do the one over trick should stop its discrimination. Your credibility could be like, I invented it. Okay, clearly that's far-fetched. Clearly that's not true. Okay, so but that is the nature of this assignment. Far-fetched, untrue, silly, absurd, all of the above words that you could think of like that. So after you post your outline and you get a grade for that, then you're going to post your speech just like we've been doing. Respond to your peers just like what we've been doing. So we only have one speech after this one. I think you'll find the next one a little bit easier. So your hardest aspect with this probably is going to be the topic selection. Not only the topic selection, but your key points. So, like I said, nothing can be serious. So you don't want to, you might think, and this is posted in there, but, oh, cats are better than dogs, or dogs are better than cats. I can do that. And you get to a key point, and you'll be like, cats can be jerks. Yeah, they can. that's serious. I mean, that's a fact. You might say dogs are loyal. Yep, they are. So you don't want kind of like a, well, duh. You don't want anything like that. You want it to be silly, far-fetched. So look through the examples, look through the directions, and really put thought into your world and maybe think of the most absurd thing that could happen. And if you have any questions on topics before you post it, just like before, don't hesitate to reach out and email me. But try to have fun with this one.